volleyball parents, you're going to be getting an email that looks just like this, and the email contains a link to a folder specific for your daughter only. So this is only for your daughter player pictures to go into. And so when you get this folder, what you're going to do is click the link to open it. And it just says to drop files here or use the new button. So you can either go into your files from your computer and drop them here, or you can use the new button and say file upload, and you'll upload your folders here. So it's going to upload them directly to this folder. You can see right here you're inside the correct folder by using the link, and you're just going to upload 12 pictures. If I can get 12 pictures from all 15 players, that'll give us about a 10-minute slideshow. So that's all you have to do, is just go to File Upload. And so if this were the folder that you wanted to upload pictures to, you can actually click and hold the control button and select as many as you want and hit open. And you'll see over here that it's uploading all the items, and the items will start populating to this folder. You have to give it a minute so that you end up having enough time to have all of the pictures upload. And this is probably easiest to do this on a home computer, but you can do it from your phone as well. If your pictures are on your phone, I would suggest emailing them to yourself. That's what I've done actually for all of these pictures. I even use my text messaging to just send a text message to my email address. So where you would type your phone number, instead you'll type your email address and choose the pictures that you want to use and just essentially text them to yourself. You can use your email on your phone and email them to yourself as well. There's always so many different ways to do things with our current technology. And then you'll have the pictures in here. And once I get 12 pictures from every single player, you can see I've got all of the folders here. I'm going to take them all into one folder and just shuffle them around and kind of mix them up. And then I'm just going to run a simple slideshow with the Banquet showing our season. And so if you can get this to me by the date indicated on the email, that would be great. Thanks.